Hello, this is Beading Letter L tutorial. First, we make a string. I use a close under the beads so the beads will not run away. And then make a loop. When you make a loop, we will not leave too much room. We try to decide where we want to turn the point. Then we can just use our fingers to bend, but you can use a ruler or something like this to help you keep the shape. The shape will not twist it when you apply force, like here. Hold them tight and then push. Not only a ruler, you also can use a cupid, something like this. Using them and then hold on, or just put it on the table. Hold them tight and then push. Now we make the yellow.